Oh, what a beautiful day. How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having a most marvelous day. I know I am. Today's video is going to be not a long one, kind of a short one, to be honest. Talk about YouTube, talk about giving thanks to a few people, a couple shout outs, and a quick little mod, and we'll get back to this in a little bit. But yeah, you know what time it is. It's Camaro time. Nice 62 degrees today, man. It's so nice. It was 70 Thursday and Friday, but it was raining, overcast. Then it went down to 42, 43 yesterday. Now it's back up to 62 today. Wonderful. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Now, first off, I'd like to give a quick shout out to a couple people, a couple channels, because tomorrow is D-Day for the YouTube demonetization thing, scandal thing, whatever you want to call it. And YouTube's become kind of like Facebook, networking words. But it's becoming like a network thing. The more people you know, the more people you talk to, the better off you are. So these three people that I'm going to name, or three channels that I'm going to name, have given me a shout out. I know some of you have come from these places. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by, for coming over, as well as I greatly appreciate the subscribers I've already had that are continuing to support me, and the new ones that have come over without the shout outs. So basically, thanks to each and every one of you. You're all loved and greatly appreciated. Now, these are not in any particular order. They're just a random thank you. There's no favoritism. There's no none of that. But and I'll put everybody's link in the description, so you can go check out their channels if you haven't seen them. If you didn't come over from there, you can go check out their channels. You might see some stuff you like, because they're all great guys. A lot of great content between the three. The first one up is Mr. John Goodrow. He's got him a 5th gen Camaro. I'm sorry, but I forget what year it is. I watch so many videos that get everybody's cars crossed up to some degree, but he's got him it's either 2012 or 2013, I believe. But he hasn't started driving it yet because he lives in the great Arctic north of New York. And you don't want to drive a car like that, get all that road grime and stuff on it, mess that wonderful paint job up and stuff. I don't know how you guys up north do it, but I just couldn't do it. But yeah, he's a great guy, real friendly. He's an auto mechanic. He does paint and body work, and all around great guy. So be sure to check him out. And next up is, let's go with Mojave KY. He's got a 6th gen Camaro. His color theme for that is black and blue, and it's really sharp looking. He's into doing the smaller mods like I do, like I'm into the smaller mod thing. And nobody wants to spend a great deal of money on their cars right now because time's tight. But with it coming springtime and summertime now, everybody's going to start picking it up, because we can actually get out, enjoy them, and drive them. But be sure to check out his channel. He's another great guy. He's currently, he does what I used to be into. I used to love archery. At one time I had 13 bows. I was into it deep. I was really into it. And I did all kind of shooting. Everything from field archery to 3D to pop-ups to spots. You name it, I did it. If it was somewhere I could shoot a bow, I was there. And last up on the list is online car show. Got a beautiful red and black 1LE, really nice guy. I've gave him a shout out before, but you know, like I said, I've gotten some views and some subscribers from these channels, so I'm giving him one final shout out before tomorrow. And he's, like I said, he's got a 1LE. He used to have a Corvette. He traded it and got him a 1LE. He did it for a while. He's got the subscribers and everything, and everything, but he doesn't have the watch time because he left for a while and he's just now coming back. And so yeah, a really great guy. Like I said, all three of these guys are super great. They're super nice, willing. They all comment back if you leave a comment on their post. They're all willing to answer questions. So by all means, check each and every one of these out. Show them some love. And like I said, again, if you came from those channels, many, many thanks. I do appreciate it. Now, finally, the YouTube thing. Is it going to actually end tomorrow? By end, I mean, are they really going to kill off all the demonetization, everybody that doesn't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time? We're going to see. I have well over the time, but I'm short on the subscribers. But I'm not knocking it. I like having a small channel because it gives me time to respond to each and every one of you. I don't think that there's anybody that I've never responded to. And I like that personalization. I like the personal touch, being able to talk to you, answer your questions, and you know, try to help if I can in any way. Will it hurt? Will it help? Will they even do it? I don't know. Will they do it tomorrow exactly when they said they was? Who knows? My personal thoughts on it are they should have grandfathered everyone in that met the old rules. If you want to set a new standard, new set of rules, fine, do it. But if the people have already met the old standards, you should still be able to stay in the partner program. It's not a lot of money, and everybody says it. They're being honest with you. It's not a lot of money. And yeah, most of us just take it and turn around and put it right back in the channels, you know, small mods, car care equipment, because my thing is I like keeping my cars looking as good as I can, make them last as long as I can. But I'm short on subscribers, like I said. That's all good. Like I said, online car show, he's good on subscribers, but he's short on hours. Mojave KY, I think he's up above both of the limits now, so he's good to go. Mr. John Goodrow, he's off on the hours and subscribers. Like I said, he's just getting started. So that's why, you know, people like this need all the help we can. He's coming in not knowing anything about being monetized, so the new standard's really not going to tick him off. But I can understand where a lot of people that did meet the old guidelines are pissed off. I can. Like I said, I was there. I met the 10,000. And you know, them saying, here's a little check, you know, a little bit of money for all the work you do and all the time and patience and editing, videoing, coming up with content and all that stuff. I can understand it. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. Will it happen tomorrow? Who knows? We'll find out together though, won't we? Okay, now I've teased long enough. What's in the box? Let me give you a quick story. I've been wanting one of these for probably 2 years now. I've checked all the reviews, I've looked at all the ones online and everything, and you know, I have 4 cars, so the one that I want is roughly 140, 150 bucks. And then if I want it to do what I really want to do, it's going to be more like $200. So I don't want to spend $200 on each vehicle for this and not know if I really want it, if I really like it, or if I even need it. So I went to Walmart the other day to pick up a few odd and end things because I was doing a little bit of plumbing work in the bathroom, changing out a faucet, and I needed a couple new hoses. So I went in, and I went in through the automotive department. And the automotive department where my Walmart is always has a table set up right at the back as you come in through the tire section. And they always have discontinued things, marked down things, damaged things, stuff like that. And I looked at these at Christmas time and I was like, I don't know if I really want one or not. But as I was going out, I looked down, I saw it. There was 2 of them there. I should have bought both of them, to be honest with you. But then again, like I said, I didn't know if I really wanted one. Well, I looked at the price, $9. Wow, $9 is almost free. You know, heck, I stopped by McDonald's on the way out of the parking lot, because there's one right in the edge of the parking lot. And you buy a hamburger, drink, and an ice cream, and you're over $9 there. So, like I said, basically $9 is free. But what it is a HD DVR dash cam. There it is. And just to prove I'm not lying to you, $9. Now I know it's not a top name brand. I'm not expecting miracles out of it. Like I said, I haven't wanted to spend the money on the big name ones, because there's not a lot that happens. In the years that I've driven my car, I might have only seen one thing that's really interesting happen in front of me out of those 9-10 years. So it's kind of a danged if you do, danged if you don't thing. Like I said, out of all the years I've been driving, there's only been one thing happen, and it was a wreck. So it really wasn't doing me any good. Yeah, it's cool and interesting to have one. Do I need it? No. Have I wanted it? Yes, and everything. But like I said, it's supposed to record 1080p, 1080 HD, but you know, from the reviews I've seen and everything, it's more like 720. And I don't know, am I expecting miracles? No. It's supposed to have nighttime vision and everything, and from the videos I've seen on it, it's not really good. But I'm going to try it out and form my own opinion about it, see if I really want one, see if I really need one. And if I don't like it or anything, I'll take it and give it to one of you guys, right? Have a little drawing and stir up a little bit of fun that way. But yeah, I'm going to put it in the Tahoe, because I'll be driving it tomorrow. And let's get to the unboxing, and I'll let you know what my thoughts are on it as we go. Yeah, I never have been good with opening packages. I like to just tear into them. And all this anti-theft crap. Fine, I got it out of the box. And again, like I said, $9, almost free, right? And another dad blame adult proof box. Car charger, suction cup mount, camera, all kind of little buttons and controls to be so small. And what's in here? Looks like instructions, which we really need those, right? Yep, instructions. And more instructions. Probably different languages. Alright, put that back in there. Put that back in there. Might as well get the instructions out. I always read them. I say I don't, but I always do. Take the section cut mount out. Whoa, you're rolling off here. Sorry about that. Take the section cut mount out. Cram that down in the hole. Like I said, I should have actually bought both of them. I could have at least put them in 2 of my cars. Or bought one for me and gave one away. But you know how it is, hindsight, right? It's just one of those things that was at the register that I really didn't need, that I wasn't planning on buying. But here we go. This is basically what you get in the package. Actually, it is what you get in the package. The camera, the charger, and the suction cup mount. And of course, the wonderful, wonderful instruction booklet that probably nobody can understand. Let's see what it says. Slide the camera into the plastic mount rails as shown. Select an area of the windshield directly above the dashboard that does not obstruct your view and clean the area thoroughly. with the suction cup lever in release position, press the suction cup to the windshield, press the suction lever towards the suction cup to lock it in place. To adjust the angle, loosen the collar on the ball joint and retighten in the desired position. The HD DVR dash cam is not intended for use as a surveillance security, yeah, well, whatever. Camera adjustment. Records in one direction to record the view in front of the vehicle. Face the camera aimed directs through the front windshield. To record the view at the rear of the vehicle, face it toward the back. Well, that's pretty self-explanatory, huh? Wow, that 55 Chevy was loud. Must have been a car show today, because me and the wife and I drove around for a little bit and passed a lot of interesting old cars and stuff. But this one just tells you how to get started. It's quick start. You just mount it, plug it in, and good to go. Covers installing and formatting the micro SD card, which it comes with, how to transfer the files, all that good stuff, and how to set it up and everything. So I'm going to glance over that, and I'll meet you guys back in the car. Alright, I've got everything set up. I've got the date, the time, all that good stuff, as you can see. 2018, February 19th, 2018, 5:11, which, as you can see by my watch, it is. But what you're supposed to do, this thing is battery operated, so you can run it off just a battery, or you can leave it plugged in. So right now I'm just going to leave it plugged in. Let's go ahead and hook this bad boy up and see what happens. All you do is just snap it in here. Just like so. Rotate it around the way you want it to mount it. And then I'm going to mount it somewhere like right here, just to see how it does, and then we'll drive it around the block and see what we get. Alright, let's see how it does. I've got everything set up, date, time, all that. I've got it set up to loop mode, so it automatically rewrites everything unless there's something I really want to save. But as you can see right now, it's a nice, bright, sunshiny day. We'll see how she performs, and I will let you know. Like I said, this is just going to be a quick ride around the block through a neighborhood or two that's right around the house, just to see how the thing performs. And then I'll show you the video quality and everything. Hopefully in the video. If not this video, I'll do it in the next video. And we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I might like it, might not. Never know till you try it, right? Now, with all that said, I would like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. It has been greatly appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this little video, or maybe some of my other videos and everything. And I'm going to continue to ride around the block and give this thing a try out. And I wanted to go ahead and do my outro now, because it's getting dark, and by the time I get home and edit this and everything, I won't have time to do it. So we're kind of flip-flopping, crossing in the mail, if you will. But with all that said, you guys take care out there, and we will see you next video. Thanks so much.